Welcome. In today's video, we're diving into a new update on Instagram that allows you to see when you sent a like in a chat on your PC. This feature is quite handy, especially if you're trying to keep track of your interactions. Let's walk through the steps together. First, open Instagram on your computer. You can do this by navigating to the Instagram website and logging into your account. Make sure you have the latest version of the site for the best experience. Next, click on the Messages icon located in the left menu. This icon looks like an envelope and will take you to your direct messages where all your chats are stored. Once you're in your messages, open the chat that contains the like you want to check. Scroll through your conversations until you find the specific chat where you sent a like. This will be crucial for the next step. Now, it's time to find the like you sent. Look through the messages until you spot the specific message where you reacted with a like. This might take a moment depending on how active your chat has been. After locating the like, click on the three dots next to it. This action will open a drop-down menu that provides additional options related to that specific message. Finally, you can see the time at the drop-down menu. This will display when you sent that like, giving you a clear timestamp of your interaction. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you can easily check when you sent likes in Instagram chats right from your PC. Make sure to explore this feature and keep track of your interactions more effectively. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and updates on Instagram and other social media platforms. Thanks for watching.